Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the mechanical key and exposing the fob seam. This gives access to the battery compartment. Use a flat plastic pick or a coin to avoid scratching the shell and work the seam gently because the clips are fragile. Once the halves separate, set the top and bottom pieces aside together so you don't lose alignment. Make sure you note orientation of the internal circuit board and battery before lifting. This prevents reassembly errors and ensures the new battery is installed correctly. You now remove the old battery, taking care not to bend the contacts or touch the circuit with bare hands. Most Subaru Impreza fobs use a CR 2032 coin cell. Confirm this before buying. Once removed, insert the new cell in the same orientation, usually plus side facing up, but double-check against the printed markings. Use plastic tweezers or a gloved finger to avoid shorting. Once seated, press the board back into the case so clips engage. This preserves contact pressure and signal reliability. To finish, realign the two halves and press them together until you hear the clips snap. Make sure the mechanical key slot lines up. You should test each button from a short distance. Lock, unlock, trunk, and panic, because weak signals often show as intermittent faults. If the fob doesn't work, open it again and verify battery orientation and that the metal contact springs are clean and seated. As a troubleshooting tip, gently bend contact springs for better pressure if signal remains weak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.